There, this is Saif and welcome back to our fitness channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of foam rolling and explore the benefits and techniques for muscle recovery. Foam rolling has gained immense popularity in recent years and for good reasons. It is a simple yet effective tool that can help relieve muscle tension, reduce soreness and enhance your overall workout recovery. So let's get started. Benefits of foam rolling. Foam rolling promotes better circulation. As you roll over the muscle, you increase blood flow to those areas, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen which can aid in the recovery process. This increasing circulation can also help reduce inflammation and promotes faster healing. Lastly, foam rolling can help elevate muscle soreness. After an intense workout, our muscle can feel tight and achy. So, using a foam roller can reduce that post-workout soreness by releasing muscle tension and aiding in the removal of lactic acid buildup that causes the muscle pain. Foam rolling techniques. Quadriceps. Start by laying face down with the foam roller positioned just above your knees, shown in the video. Using your arms for support, slowly roll up and down your quads from the top of your knees to the base of your hip. If you find a tender spot, pause and apply gentle pressure for a few seconds before continuing. Repeat for about 1 to 2 minutes in each. Hamstring. Sit on the foam roller with your legs extended in front of you. Place your hands behind you for support. Roll back and forth along the back of your thighs from the glutes to just above your back of your knees. Again, if you encounter tight and sore areas, hold your breath into them for a few moments. Perform these exercises for 1 to 2 minutes. Glutes. Sit on the foam roller and cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Lean toward the side of the crossed leg and roll back and forth on the glute muscle shown in the video. Take your time and focus on the areas that feel particularly tight or tender. Switch side and repeat for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Back. Lie on your back with the foam roller placed horizontally underneath your mid-back shown in the video. Support your head with your hands, keeping your feet flat on the floor. Slowly roll up and down your back, focusing on any areas of tension or discomfort. Be cautious and avoid rolling directly on your spine. Be careful on that side. Roll over 1 to 2 minutes. Calves. Sit on the floor with your legs extended and the foam roller under your calves. Place your hands behind you and lift your hip off the ground shown in the video. Roll your ankles just below your knees, pausing on any tight spots. Repeat 1 to 2 minutes on each leg. And here you have it. Foam roller is a fantastic addition to your muscle recovery routine. So add this in your daily workout schedule. By incorporating these techniques, you can experience improved flexibility, better circulation and reduce muscle soreness. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity of the pressure as needed. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Do share this with your friend and use these techniques